'Twas Christmas Eve when kinfolk came and gathered round the stove for drinkin Thay and eatin buns, just waitin fae the morra, but childer card with faer, unusual fae their breedin. The faered to act in such a way that Santa would skit them. The grandpa spake and nicht like this: when they would lang till here, the sound of hoofs upon the roof, and noises doon the flue, but slumber always won the ficht, Befaire the great arrival. In the morn when childer woke, the scuttled doon the stairs. Hearts were filled with joy so sweet, was stogging fu' a cheer, apple, orange and special toy, what joy was rootin' them. Another thing they quickly saw, when jigging round the hoofs, glass was drank and saucer bare, and carrot tap outside front door. Weans that heard the wondrous tales, they wondered to themselves, could Fathair Christmas be so mean, and they the same to them? An apple, orange, and just yen toy, what use on earth is that? 'Tis not enough to cheer the heart, but to ruin blessed day. For we hae done an awful thing, and taught them such a lie, that pleasures come frae tactile things, and dinna lie we in. E'er and e'er they see frae us this lesson learnt by heart, till covet pruch that we hae seen, though on things we dinna need. Then pruchery breaks Befaire nicht fall, and toys bedump so quick. Your fashion flits awa so soon, 'tis only word yen time. Abundance can he bring till thee, trablesin in thine heart. Rejoice the gift that's given to thee, whate'er that gift may be.